This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Please follow all local laws regarding digital content. Is this the best budget TV box of 2026? Today we're reviewing the X88 Pro X5M. We'll test 4000 streaming, 600 Mbps speeds, and heavy gaming. Let's dive in. Inside the box, the X88 Pro X5M comes with everything you need for a complete setup. First, we find the compact TV box itself featuring a sleek, modern design. Next is the ergonomic remote control built for easy navigation. You also get a high-quality HDMI cable to ensure a crisp 4K signal. For power, there is a dedicated 5 volts adapter providing stable energy for heavy tasks like gaming or 4000 streaming. Finally, a user manual is included to help you with the initial setup process. Let's check the ports. We have USB 3.0 for fast data, USB 2.0, a micro SD slot, optical audio, and most importantly, a gigabit LAN port. This is essential for the high speeds we're about to see. Setting up the X88 Pro X5M is quick and simple. First, connect the included HDMI cable from the box to your TV's HDMI port. Next, plug in the power adapter to a wall outlet and the DC port on the device. For the fastest 600 Mbps speeds, I highly recommend using a LAN cable, but you can also connect via dual-band Wi-Fi. Once powered on, follow the on-screen instructions to select your language and link your Google account. In just a few minutes, you are ready to enjoy 4K content. The user interface here isn't standard Google TV, but it's very flexible. You can even install custom launchers to change the look completely. On the main screen, simply click the plus icon to pin your favorite apps for quick access. It's a very clean and intuitive layout that you can personalize in seconds. As you can see, I've already pre-installed several apps and games that we are about to test, so let's jump straight into the performance and see how this system handles everything. First, let's test YouTube. I'm opening a high-quality 4K video, and as you can see, it loads almost instantly with zero buffering or stuttering. The performance is incredibly smooth and the visual quality is top-notch. The colors are vivid, clear, and very sharp, making the viewing experience truly enjoyable. This X88 Pro X5M handles high-resolution streams effortlessly, proving it's a perfect choice for anyone who values a crisp and reliable 4K home cinema experience. Now let's test the internet speed, and the results are truly shocking for a box at this price. Running a speed test, we are hitting an incredible 600 Mbps. This is a massive advantage, as it guarantees a smooth experience without any buffering, even when streaming the heaviest 4K files. Whether you use a LAN cable or high-speed Wi-Fi, the connection remains rock solid and lightning fast. This kind of network performance is exactly what sets the X88 Pro X5M apart from its competition. Let's look under the hood. I always use Aida64 to verify the hardware because some manufacturers misrepresent their specs. In the System tab, we can confirm the exact model, the total installed RAM, and the actual internal storage capacity. Next, we check the CPU. We want to see the architecture and clock speeds. The X88 Pro X5M should show its quad-core efficiency here. This is what drives that impressive 600 Mbps network speed we saw earlier. Finally, the Android tab confirms our software version and security patch level. Seeing the API level ensures compatibility with the latest apps like Netflix and the 20 GB Elementum streams we're about to test. Now for the ultimate stress test, Elementum. Most budget boxes struggle here, but let's see how the X88 Pro X5M handles high bitrate torrent streaming. I'm selecting a 4K movie file that's over 20 GB in size. This requires massive processing power and a stable connection. Thanks to that 600 Mbps internet speed we verified earlier, the initial buffering is incredibly fast. Elementum is pulling data from multiple seeds, and the box is processing that data in real time without skipping a beat. Look at that playback. Even with a 20 GB plus file, the video is butter smooth. No stuttering, no audio sync issues. This proves that the rock chip inside this unit isn't just for show, it's actually capable of handling heavy 4K Remux files. Even when I skip forward in the timeline, it recovers almost instantly. This is where cheaper boxes usually freeze or crash. The X88 Pro X5M stays stable and cool, which is a huge relief compared to the 82 degrees Celsius heat issues we've seen on other devices. Next, let's pair a Bluetooth gamepad to turn this box into a gaming console. I'm using a PS4 style controller today, and the process is incredibly fast. Just head to the Bluetooth settings, put your controller in pairing mode, and it connects instantly with no lag. It's a seamless setup that completely changes the experience. If you're looking for a great controller like this, you can find the link in the video description below. Now that we're connected, let's jump into the games. Our first gaming test is Beach Buggy Racing, a classic title that is perfect for testing responsiveness. As you can see, the X88 Pro X5M handles the 3D graphics with ease, providing a very smooth and fluid frame rate. Driving feels great with the Bluetooth controller, and there is absolutely no input lag during the races. The colors look vibrant on the big screen, and the gameplay is fun and stable. This box proves right away that it can handle casual gaming without breaking a sweat. Next is Horizon Chase, a fast-paced retro racer. The X88 Pro X5M keeps the action incredibly smooth, maintaining a high frame rate during high-speed turns. The controls are sharp and responsive, which is vital for this arcade style. The vibrant colors and stylized environments really pop on the screen. It handles this 3D title effortlessly, proving the processor is solid for gaming. If you love classic arcade racers, you will absolutely enjoy the experience on this box. Now let's step it up with Real Racing 3. This game is much more demanding with its realistic graphics and detailed car models. To my surprise, the X88 Pro X5M handles it very well. The gameplay remains stable, and the physics feel smooth as I navigate the tracks. Even with many cars on the screen at once, there are no major frame drops. It's impressive to see a budget box manage this level of detail so consistently. This device is definitely more capable than its price suggests. Next, we are pushing the limits with Asphalt. This game is packed with high-speed stunts and heavy effects, but the new Amlogic S905X5M processor handles it like a pro. The gameplay is incredibly fluid, with the chip delivering stable frame rates even during the most intense action. Unlike older budget boxes, this hardware stays cool and responsive, ensuring a premium gaming experience. It is clear that the S905X5M makes a huge difference in performance for such a demanding title. Finally, the ultimate test, GTA San Andreas. This open-world classic can be tricky for many TV boxes, but thanks to the Amlogic S905X5M, it runs beautifully. The draw distance is solid, and driving through the city is smooth with no major lag. Even during intense action or fast chases, the performance stays consistent. Paired with a Bluetooth controller, it feels like playing on a real console. This box proves it has the raw power to handle even the most iconic, resource-heavy titles. To wrap things up, the X88 Pro X5M is a fantastic value for the money. With the new Amlogic S905X5M chip, it delivers smooth 4K video. It is impressive 600 Mbps speeds and solid gaming performance for just 39 to 50 euros. It's compact, powerful, and very easy to customize. If you are looking for a fast and reliable TV box that doesn't break the bank, this is a top choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the links in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.